Hi Naveen, welcome on Mumbai Masala, and can you brief us about your interaction and your involvement with this project?
It's a new project. For the first time, I'm doing something with reference to Jadao Kundan Polki. I mean, the USP of this whole label, Bikaner Jewels, is it's like a jewelry house which is trying to get back the long forgotten art of handmade jewelry. So you have a lot of jewelers who are doing gold or doing diamonds or doing platinum. But when a lady is getting married, okay, it's very vital to her on that marriage day or during Navratra or during Dhanteras, she buys something which is very ethnic, very Indian. Now what is happening is over a period of time in the past, couple of years, there has been a whole movement about going back to the roots. So people are going back to Jadao, Kundan, Polki, antique jewelry, ethnic jewelry. Bikaner Jewels, basically, they were people who are into manufacturing since the past 100 years. The Soni family has a legacy of jewelry manufacturing. In fact, they were doing it from Jaipur. They had a lot of high-end or high net worth customers from Bombay who were going up to them and picking up jewelry from them. And that's when Neil Kamal decided to listen, people come to me, ask me for it, and my family is doing the manufacturing. She got her friends over, the friends liked it, and it was her own initiative, her passion, which she says, I want to make it into a retail venture. And her husband supported her, family supported her, and they said, we do everything. Because they were a little new to retail, they asked me if I could help set the whole thing up. So,
how differently have you branded this particular Bikaner Jewels proposition?
Like even if you look at where we are standing now, it's not like a typical store. So there are no counters. So there are window displays on one wall. There's a small standing shelf which has a couple of pieces. The whole idea is get a flavor of what this is all about. Once you get a flavor, you will start talking to the salesperson and to Neeru about what this is all about. We understand why you want the jewelry. What is the idea? Is it for a gift? Is it for a wedding? Is it for some traditional occasion? In that personal interaction, we make you sit down in a comfortable zone in the store, and that's when that personalized selling happens. Because something as exclusive, as expensive as this, I don't think you can pick off on the rack.
On the rack.
It's not like a mall where you go and pick up something.
Yes.